Hello, everybody. Welcome to session 2 of FinVid's Get Wealthy with Stocks. We're going to share the screen and get right down to her. I don't believe in long introductions. I believe in production. Okay, let's see here. We left off with ALB. We're going to continue tracking that and seeing how we do later on. Okay, so let's start REPX. REPX. I'll do a little recap here in a second, just in case if you missed the first video. Okay, so right away, we have the market dominating the stock. And I was saying in session 1, that's not what we want. We want the opposite. The second 5 years looks better. Yield's a little high, where timing is good. And it seems like this company cannot stay afloat on the market. So right away, I'm just going to check the cash situation. And if it has a lot of cash, RDPX. Okay. Cash flow. 42,000. That's a nothing burger for 5% dividend. I'm just going to stay away from this one. No confidence. Okay, so what we do here is this is FinViz, this is a stock screener, and under technical, you can select how many weeks from high you want a discount to be, and that's considered like your margin of safety. Go to descriptive, and then I put in the price over $20. So that's it. There's a lot of different things you can do. These are the only 2 filters that I use, and you get a 300 stock total, which is a manageable amount. And then I just select them by PE ratio. I like low PEs because it's the best chance to get a stock that is earning a lot compared to their price. So we can make money. SQM. And don't worry, if it doesn't make sense right now, it will. This stock stuff is a foreign language. It took me a good 8 years to really understand and become profitable in a consistent basis. And, I didn't have coaching or leadership, and that had a lot to do with failure. You do this on your own through your phone, and it becomes very difficult. Okay, so SQM, another, it looks just the same as the other one. Pretty much identical timing. We're about 20% off already. Not bad because you got $100. We're halfway through the high to low. So timing is pretty decent. Let's see what the 10-year looks like. I'm predicting the market is going, okay, I was wrong. The stock is actually really good compared to the market. Okay. SQM. Let's take a look at the earnings. Maybe we have a winner here. And all these tools are free, by the way. Why? I have no idea. There should be a lot of money. If I was to guess, if I didn't know any better, I'd come into this world and think you want $20, $100 a month for these type of services. But nope, they're free. You have to put up with ads, but they're free. $1.63 going to $13. That's very good. We like that. I like a little more consistency. I usually, it's not ideal. However, doubling and above and beyond is always a good thing. So here we go, $5. We're headed for what, 7, 8 for the year. Very good. I am impressed. SQM. Let's check out the money situation. Everything aligns. Maybe we'll take a look at a couple other things and then throw them on our hot list. All right, let's see what we got. Wow, 3 million. What is this company and why haven't I known about them? Welcome to my world. SQM. Well, this is obviously something minerals in Chile. They have discovered a mine or something. They have discovered plutonium. They have done something right as of late. Okay. Gross profit. I mean, my Lord, you are a dream company. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, guys. I should have had this all preloaded. SQM. And we can set this up, the spreadsheet. And how much is the spreadsheet? $200, $2,000. This spreadsheet, setting this up, has changed my gains tremendously, night and day. Did 200 a month, 300 a month? No, free. Why? I have no idea. Anyway, yeah, very good company already. A way to start it off. Never heard of this company, and wow, I am impressed. Okay. And that's why we do this. Companies like that. Companies I didn't know that existed until you do this type of thing. Okay, recreational vehicle. I'm gonna stay away from the boat industry. I'm not even interested. Titan, TITN. We'll do that one and then a couple other ones, and I'll conclude the session. See what Titan's up to. 5.8, 27.47. Our timing is good. It doesn't outpace the market the way I would like. Five years looks better. We'll further evaluate. See how the earnings look. Earnings is the lifeblood of the company. Without earnings per share or negative earnings, it's definitely hard to make money. Okay. Like I said, you have to put up with ads. Okay. 2017, negative 65, negative 32, 55, 63, 86, 292, 450. This is exactly what we want to see. When you talk about trending upwards, the incremental growth, never going back. That is awesome. Yearly is awesome. Anyway, let's see what quarterly. See if we get the same type of thing. 110, 182, 80, 119, 38. Not bad. Let's see. Maybe figure a 5 for the year and 450. So yeah, they probably will finish around 5, going up again. So again, this is another good one. Would definitely put this on the hit list for further valuations. And once a week, I think what I'll do is after I do like 5 sessions like this, I'll go through them and really tell you like if I invested in them and give you all those type of details or what the plan is. Obviously, this is just step one, putting them on the list, getting them activated, and then pulling the trigger. Obviously, The only way to make money is to pull the trigger on these investments. But step one is to look at them and filter them out. And wow, we are off to a great start here. Medfast, I know all about. TSEM, I don't. So we'll end at Medfast. So we'll do 2 more companies, check them out. My hat trick, it looks like. Okay. Our timing isn't perfect, as you can tell. However, there is upside. Wow, and that's what you're looking for. When you say dominate the market, this is how you make money. Buy a company that continually outpaces the market. Okay, so last 6 months. We'll do the year to date, see what that looks like. Year to date, 2 year, what does that look like? Okay, so you could tell they were still doing their thing where they outpaced the market, and then something happened. So this is just like detective work. You look at what happened. Did they buy a company that they're a little more in debt? They have long-term plans, so they took the debt, knowing that in 2 years they're going to go ahead and start making money on that acquisition. Did they get a loan that just went high on, like a high interest rate loan? They couldn't, restructure it with low interest rates. It's all these different things that can happen. What happened? That's our job, is to figure that out. That's why we become wealthy, because we're the ones that figure it out first. And this is how you do it. Okay, so great. Now we got company that beats the market and our timing is good. Let's go ahead and take a look at their names. And can you pay money so you can eliminate ads on this thing? Yes. Should I do that? I don't know. It's a good question. Maybe. The thing is, when you do ads this way, I don't know if I trust you. That's the thing. You know what I mean? Like, then are you going to spam me every 2 months? You know what I mean? Are you going to sell me out to a different company that spams me? I just don't, I lose trust. Would I pay $3 to eliminate all this stuff? Absolutely. Not cheap. All right. Okay, 2017, you had $308, $32. See the difference between that company and this? There's no predictability in the marketplace. Much rather have Titan than some that goes up and down. Let's see, for this. Okay, 410. You're doing good, though. I gotta hand it to you. You're definitely going up in the right direction. That one I'll give you. And the way I do it is I figure where you were, like, let's say 2017, and you want 10 to 15% gain per year. And if that equates to the end of the year, which we figured out would be about $5, that is a good gain for us. So it still works. So yeah, I would let's just check the money on this one. Just see what that's like. It's always a good idea. Hey, if you're doing good in business, you should have free cash flow. And your cash flow should always be looking positive. You got 316 trailing, you lose a little bit, but you're gaining. So very good. It's another win for me. Another one to look forward to. And what I'm doing here is the algorithm is already figured out. I'll clean it up after the session's over, but just put it on the hit list here, and this tracks per market timing. So this goes with the market time, and it updates every couple, sometimes seconds. Okay, Let's finish it off with Medfast. And like I said, I'm familiar with this one. And I don't know the deal on this one, to be honest. Like, I don't know. I mean, everything looks good, but the stock just keeps dropping in price. And they haven't figured out exactly why. It was 75, then went to 65. Now we're flirting with 70. Let's see real quick if I can try to figure it out. Look at the recent earnings. Now, what's not to love here? I mean, 232 going to 232 going to a $13. And let's see where we're at this year. Yeah, solid. I don't know what to make of it. I don't know why it keeps going down. Your yield has always stayed the same. They haven't cut. Still let the investors wet their beak. I can't, there's some things you just can't figure out. Like, and this is one of them. I guess if you're in, just don't invest as much and just kind of play with the house's money. It's always a good situation to have. But yeah, the cash looks good. Revenue, total revenue, the profit looks good or profitable. It's a great company. As you can see, they're already on the hit list. So yeah, I'll probably be investing soon in this one. IIPR already own and love long term, but we've done a screener and marked that company on a previous video. We do appreciate you learning as we go on, and we'll go into the next one tomorrow, Saturday. Market's closed, but we'll keep working. Have a great day, guys. Take care.